Hello students, welcome back to our online classes from LPM Public School situated at Gola Bazar, Gorakhpur. This is your English teacher Nancy Pandey. Hope you all are doing good job at your home. So students, in our previous two videos, we studied half part of the story of chapter number 2, that is thank you friend. So students, today we are going to study the summary of this chapter. So students, the name of the chapter is thank you friend. This story is about of friendship. The friendship is a miracle of God. It is a promise from one friend to another friend to stay together for whole life. So in this story we are going to learn about friendship of four animals: a crow, a tortoise, and a mouse, and a deer. So students, let's discuss about it. Once upon a time, there was a three friends: a crow, a tortoise, and a mouse lived in a forest. So students, look at the picture here given. One day, the deer was being chased by a hunter and ran towards the three friends. Then the tortoise said, "Don't be afraid. Hunters never come so far into the forest." So students, here tortoise is a kind. He said to deer, "Don't be afraid. Hunters never come so far into the forest." The deer sat down and said, "I am safe now." Tortoise asked to stay with them. The deer agreed. Soon they become good friends. One morning, the deer did not come. The crow looked around for him. So he saw the deer was trapped in a net on the bank of the river. So students, look at the second picture. Here you can see that the deer was trapped in a net on the bank of the river. After it, the crow told his friend what he had seen. The mouse said, "If the crow takes me there, I will cut the ropes." So the crow picked the mouse up his beak and flew to the river bank. The mouse cut the ropes. The deer was free. As the four friends were about to leave, they saw the hunter coming. The crow flew up to a tree. The mouse ran and hid himself into the grass. The mouse ran and hid himself in the grass. The deer also ran away. However, the tortoise was slow and caught by hunter. The hunter began walking along the river bank with tortoise. Students, here look at the second picture. Here you can see that the hunter is walking along the tortoise along the river bank. The deer thought of a plan. Seeing this, the deer thought of a plan, and he told the crow and mouse about it. He lay down in the path of the hunter, as though he were dead. The crow sat on the deer's head and gently pecked at it. Students, do you know the meaning of pecked here? The meaning of pecked is bite with beak. And the meaning of gently is calmly or softly. So, the crow sat on the deer's head and gently pecked at it. Now, seeing this, the hunter was happy and dropped his net, in which tortoise was caught, and walked towards the deer. Here look at the last picture. The hunter is walked towards the deer. The mouse ran and cut the ropes of the net. When the hunter came close, the crow flew away, and the dead deer jumped and ran fast. The tortoise was free and crawled into the water. Students, do you know the meaning of crawled? Crawled means to move slowly. Now the four friends were saved. So students, the conclusion of this chapter is true friendship is the one who always support and stand by you in any situation. So in this story, we know that how the four friends help each other when they caught in trouble. I hope you are enjoying this story. So discuss this story with your family members and write the hard words of this chapter, which is given in your WhatsApp group. So students, this is homework for you, and read this chapter also. Till then, stay safe, stay healthy. Okay, bye students.